Severe storms with strong winds and flooding, triggered by the approaching Cyclone Michaung, wrought havoc in the city of Chennai, South India. The majority of the city's streets, inhabited by approximately 12 million people, were submerged as the cyclonic storm relentlessly battered the Indian coast, anticipating a landfall on Tuesday. Parts of Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, and adjacent districts experienced nearly an inch of rainfall overnight as the potent storm progressed towards India's southeast coast in the Bay of Bengal. Chennai Airport suspended operations until at least Monday evening due to heavy rain flooding the runway and powerful winds, prompting airport authorities to cancel 70 flights and redirect over 30 others to Kagada Airport in neighboring Bengaluru. Cyclone Michaung, initially a severe cyclonic storm in the southwest Bay of Bengal on Monday, moved north-northwest toward the coast at approximately 9 miles per hour. India's National Weather Office forecasted the storm's landfall in the coastal state of Andhra Pradesh on Tuesday, with sustained winds of up to 62 miles per hour. The warm waters of the Bay of Bengal have historically given rise to deadly cyclones, causing extensive damage in both India and Bangladesh. Notably, Cyclone Amphan in 2020 claimed at least 80 lives in India, and in 2019, Cyclone Fani caused the displacement of millions.